Hope you are fine. Today we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 5. Chapter name is Keyboard. Today we are going to study about keyboard and its keys. We learned that keyboard is an input device. It is used to enter data into a computer. Yes, keyboard helps us to type letters, numbers, symbols, etc. Yes, it is used to type your name, age, address, phone number, school name, etc. It has a number of small buttons called keys. Children, look, these are keys. These keys are divided into 4 types. The first one is alphabetic keys. On the keyboard, there are keys marked with alphabets. From A to Z, these keys are called alphabetic keys. Look. With the help of these keys, you can type your name, address, letters, school name, etc. Normally, on the keyboard, the keys are not arranged in order. Look. For easy typing, it is arranged in QWERTY order. Q, W, E, R, T, 1. Look. The next is numeric keys. On the keyboard, there are keys marked with the numbers from 0 to 9. These keys are numeric keys. Here also we can see numeric keypad. It is used to type your age, class number, phone number, etc. On the keyboard, we can see 2 sets of numeric keys. These are numeric keys and this is numeric keypad. The next is function keys. On the top line of the keyboard, some keys are marked as F1, F2, F3, F4 up to F12. These keys are called function keys. Each key has some special task. It is also called shortcut keys. It helps us to do things fast. The next is special keys. Children, there are many other keys on the keyboard. Look, tab key, caps lock key, shift key, control key, space bar key, enter key, backspace key, arrow keys. These keys are called special keys. They also perform special tasks. There are 104 keys we can see on a standard keyboard. Look, let us see the working of some special keys. Number 1, enter key. Children, these are enter keys. Look. It is used to move the cursor to the next line. Don't forget, it is also used to open a file or a program. One thing, look, it is the master key on the keyboard. The next is space bar. Children, look, this is space bar. It is the longest key on a keyboard. Look, it is very big in size. Look, it is used to put a space between 2 words. The next is caps lock key. Children, look, this is caps lock key. It is used to get capital letters. If you want to type your name in capital, you can use this key. Okay?
The keyboard and its functions. A keyboard is an important part of the computer. It has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. There are 4 types of keys present on the keyboard. They are alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, and function keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z, but they are not in order. Alphabet keys are 26 in numbers. We can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. Number keys have numbers on them ranging from 0 to 9. They are 10 in numbers. They are present above the alphabet keys and are given in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, mobile number, etc. using number keys. Function keys. Function keys are present above the number keys on the keyboard, ranging from F1 to F12. Each key has a specific function. For example, F1 is used for help, F2 is used for duplicate value, F3 is used for find, F4 today's date, and F5 menu, etc. Special keys. Special keys have different symbols as given. For example, plus sign is used for addition, minus sign is used for subtraction, star sign is used for multiplication. Each symbol has specific purpose in special keys. There are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys. Let us learn about them. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between the text. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. If you want to type again in small letters, you need to press caps lock key again. Next is enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor.
Children, all of you take page number 57. We are going to do this activity. The activity is tick whether true or false. The first question is, the longest key on the keyboard is enter key. We learned that the longest key is spacebar. So it is false. Tick on this circle. The next is F1 key is an example for function keys. Yes, it is an example for function keys. So it is true. Tick on this circle. The next is enter key is used to start a new line. Yes, we learned that enter key is used to start a new line. So it is true. Tick on this circle. The next question is caps lock key helps us to type numbers. No, caps lock key is used to get capital letters. So it is wrong. All should tick on this fold circle. The last question is, keyboard is an output device of a computer. Is it true? No, it is false. Keyboard is an input device. So all should tick on this circle. Okay. The next activity is in page number 58. Connect the bats with related Halloween. First one, eraser. Look at these bats and tell which is the correct one. Eraser is used to delete. So you should write 1 in this circle. The next is capital letter. We learned that caps lock is used to get capital letter. So all should write here 2. Number 3, the longest key. Which is the longest key? Spacebar is the longest key. So all should write 3 in this circle. Number 4, master key. Which is the master key? Yes, enter key is the master key. So you should write 4 in this circle. The last one is function keys. F10 is one of the function keys. So you should write 5 in this circle. Okay. Children, the next activity is in page number 59. The activity is identify the keys on the marked place and fill the crossword. First one, shift key. On the keyboard, where is shift key? Look here. Yes, here is shift key. So we can see one circle here. So you should write here 1. Okay. Number 2, insert key. Look at this keyboard. Where is insert key? Yes, here is, this is insert key. So here we can see one circle. Here you should write number 2. Number 3, space bar. We learned that the longest key is called space bar. That this is space bar. So everyone should write here 3. Number 4, page up key. Look here, where is page up key? Look, this is page up keys. Here we can see one circle. Here you should write number 4. The last one is enter key. We learned that master key is enter key. So where is enter key? This is enter key. Here also we can see one circle. Here you should write number 5. That's all for today's class. Today we studied about keyboard and its keys. I hope the topic is clear to you. Stay healthy. See you in the next class. Bye.